Debris. Broken or scattered pieces from something destroyed. Example: after the storm, the streets were filled with debris. Puff. A small burst of air, smoke, or steam. Example: he blew out a puff of smoke from his mouth. Stalk. To follow someone or something quietly and secretly. Example: the cat stalked its prey, moving slowly and quietly. Scatter. To spread things around in different directions. Example: the wind scattered the leaves all over the yard. Trudge. To walk slowly and heavily, as if tired or carrying a heavy load. Example: he trudged through the snow, exhausted after the long hike. Dump. To drop something in a careless way, or a place where garbage is disposed. Example: she dumped her bag on the couch as soon as she got home. Tangle. A twisted or messy arrangement. Example: her hair got tangled after a windy day at the beach. Cluster. A group of similar things or people gathered close together. Example: a cluster of stars shone brightly in the night sky. Heap. A large pile of things thrown together. Example: there was a heap of clothes on his bed that needed to be folded. Bury. To cover something completely or hide it. Example: they buried the treasure in the sand near the shore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.